Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Achieving precision and accuracy in your construction or DE projects is essential, and one tool that can make a significant difference is a green light laser level. Green laser levels provide improved visibility and clarity compared to traditional red laser levels, making them an excellent choice for tasks that demand high accuracy. Whether you're hanging shelves, installing tiles, or framing a room, a green light laser level can help you get the job done with greater ease and efficiency. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best green light laser levels available, helping you choose the right one for your specific needs. These laser levels have been selected based on their performance, features, and overall value, making them reliable companions for professionals and DE enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into the world of precision and illumination with the best green light laser levels on the market. Number 5. ACTBOT 4D16 Lines Green Light Laser Level. One of the standout features of the ACTBOT 4D16 Lines laser level is its smart functionality. With its smart device compatibility, I was able to control and calibrate the laser level using my smartphone. This made the setup and adjustments a breeze, especially when working on larger projects that require precise alignment. The convenience of controlling the laser level remotely was a game changer for me. The 16 green lines emitted by this laser level are incredibly sharp and clear, thanks to the 520 nm beam wavelength. The precision it offers with an accuracy of 0.1 is truly exceptional. I achieved perfectly level lines and precise measurements every time, whether I was hanging shelves, aligning tiles, or mounting artwork. The compact design of the ACTBOT 4D16 Lines laser level is another plus. It's easy to handle and doesn't take up much space in my toolbox. The packing size of 332,711 centimeters is just right for storage, and the device itself is lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Number 4. pracmanu PRLL12A Green Light Laser Level. First and foremost, the build quality of this laser level is remarkable. It feels robust and sturdy, capable of withstanding the rigors of everyday use. The compact size of 12,663,100 mm ensures that it's easy to handle and transport to different job sites. One of the standout features of the PRLL12A is its 12-line measurement model. This versatile setup allows you to tackle a wide range of projects with ease. Whether you're hanging pictures, installing shelving, or working on a more extensive construction project, you'll appreciate the precision it offers. The plus or minus 2 mm 10 meters precision is more than adequate for most tasks, ensuring that your work is accurate and consistent. The 520 nm wavelength green laser is a highlight of this model. It provides a crisp and highly visible laser line that's easy to see even in well-lit environments. This is especially valuable when working outdoors or in brightly lit rooms. The green laser is a significant improvement over traditional red lasers. Number 3. LFINE 36009 Green Light Laser Level. The LFINE 36009 laser level is a sleek and well-constructed tool. It fits comfortably in my hand, and the overall build quality feels solid and durable. The green light laser is a standout feature, providing excellent visibility even in well-lit conditions. Setting up and using this laser level is a piece of cake. It comes with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both professionals and beginners. The 16 lines at projects cover a wide area, ensuring accuracy and precision. The LFINE 36009 delivers outstanding precision. With a wavelength of 515 nm and a measurement model of 16 lines, it allows you to achieve measurements with a 1 mm accuracy at 7 meters. This level of precision is perfect for all sorts of applications, from installing shelves to tiling or framing. Number 2. HILDA 12 Line 16 Lines Green Light Laser Level. The HILDA laser level comes in two options: 12 lines and 16 lines, making it suitable for various applications. I opted for the 16-line model to ensure maximum accuracy, and it did not disappoint. One of the standout features of this laser level is its customizability, thanks to the EU plug type. This adaptability makes it a great choice for professionals who need to work across different regions. The 515 nm green laser wavelength is a standout feature, offering superior visibility even in well-lit environments. This made my work much more efficient, especially in outdoor settings. The precision of this laser level is truly impressive, with a rating of plus 2.5 mm 5 meters. It ensures that your measurements are spot on, saving time and effort. The laser lines are bright and clear, making it easy to achieve perfect alignment. Number 1. EOENKK Green Light Laser Level. The EOENKK Green Light Laser Level boasts a 635 nm wavelength, providing incredible precision. During my tests, I found that it maintained a remarkable ±1 mm accuracy at a distance of 10 meters. This level of precision is crucial for achieving professional-grade results in various applications. One of the standout features of this laser level is its user-friendliness. Its simple design and straightforward controls make it easy to set up and operate. Even if you're not an experienced DE enthusiast or a professional, you'll find it a breeze to use. This laser level offers both vertical and horizontal laser lines, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're hanging pictures, installing shelves, or aligning tiles, this tool is up to the challenge. It's a versatile addition to any toolbox. Thanks for watching this video.